Inhale, stand on your knees, raise your arms up, arch your back. Exhaling, slowly go down, taking your hips back. Inhale, stand on your knees, arch your back into cat pose. Exhaling, lift your knees up, drop your head, look at your navel. Inverted V. Inhaling, drop your knees, lift your head up, arch your back. Exhale, slowly take your hips back, drop your head. Inhaling, stand on your knees, raise your arms up, arch your back. Exhaling, slowly sit down in Vajrasana, eyes closed, focus on your breath.